So if you're thinking of buying a home this year and you want to make sure you're on the right track, here's what you need to focus on right now. One, it's important to work on your credit. Your credit score plays a big role in determining your mortgage rate, and that impacts the cost of your home loan. Second, plan for your down payment. It's helpful to set aside part of each paycheck to make that happen. You can start also exploring down payment assistance program. Third, get pre-approved. This is how a lender shows you what you can borrow. It gives you a better understanding of your finances, and it'll help you stand out when you're making an offer. And finally, prioritize your wants and needs. Make a list of what you want in a home and figure out what's a must-have and what's a nice-to-have. Thinking through this now will make a big help when it's decision time. So if you're looking for an expert advice on how to reach your homeownership goals this year, these are a great place to start. And let's chat. I'm here to help each step of the way. Thank you so much for watching. This is Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at eXp Realty.